Most schools purposely set their WA papers a lot harder than the practice papers just to make sure that you feel the pressure, but that does not give you an excuse to fail the exams. If you failed your WA2 Math recently, be it if you're in Sec 1, Sec 2, Sec 3 or Sec 4 taking the G3 level, your June holidays are crucially important for you to catch up. And I know that during the June holidays, everyone just wants to rest, everyone just wants to go overseas and shut off your brain for 4 weeks. And trust me, I've been there. I was a student not just too long ago, just like you. But if you failed your WA2 Math recently, and when I say fail, it's like really failed, right? You really did very, very badly. It is your responsibility to take charge of your learning during the holidays, and given that you didn't do so well, there's no excuse for you not to work doubly, triply hard during the holidays to pull yourself back up before WA3. Because failing WA2 is a signal that you don't understand what is going on in class for the entirety of term 2. And that's a very dangerous spot to be in, because in math, everything compounds. You just need to have one bad term, one bad school term, and by not understanding the concepts taught in that term, it can severely affect how you tackle and approach the rest of the terms. I've been tutoring for the past 3 years, and I taught over 300 students personally myself. And among so many students that I've seen, a very worrying trend that I've seen persist across many students is that it all just takes one bad exam for you to solidify the belief that you're bad in math and underperform in math for the rest of your life. And that should not be the case, because math is actually a very fun subject, and once you learn the algorithms, the way to think about the questions, it becomes super addictive. And that's honestly why I started A1 Math Academy, is because I wanted to fix the way students learn about math and think about math. Because chances are in school you are being taught math in a way that's super uninspiring. Most of the times when my students come to class, they just tell me that their teachers just throw them textbooks, YouTube videos to watch, and they don't understand anything. And that's why at the center I take the liberty, I take the time to explain concepts in a way that you can understand, and I show you firsthand, step by step, how tackling challenging questions actually go work. And I show my students firsthand how to tackle each challenging question type to show them the thought process behind every single step. Because it's not so much about getting towards the final answer, but the thought process behind that is actually crucially important. Because always remember, questions can change, but the way to think will never ever change. And if you're looking to finally fix your trajectory in math during these June holidays and actually catch up before WA3 and term 3 starts, then WhatsApp the number on the screen over here, and I'll share with you more stories about how I've helped your seniors in your school achieve the same transformation and how you can do the same for yourself. And I look forward to speaking with you on WhatsApp over here and sharing with you more about how I can help you to achieve the same for yourself as well. And with that said, thanks for watching. Follow this account for more of such content, and always remember, I'm rooting for you.